Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're signed into the same Google Drive or iCloud account WhatsApp will use. Once done, make sure you have at least 1 GB free and a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Backups fail on poor networks. Next, open app permissions and grant storage, contacts, and allow background data while disabling aggressive battery optimization. These steps remove the most common permission and storage blockers, so a backup can actually begin immediately. Now execute the backup, update WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and tap Backup. If progress stalls on Android, force stop, clear cache, then reopen and retry. On iPhone, ensure iCloud Drive and WhatsApp toggles are enabled. Adjust frequency and choose Wi-Fi only if you need to save data, otherwise include cellular. Watch the progress indicator and note the backup file size. If it completes, confirm timestamp and file size to ensure messages and media were captured. To finish, test a restore on the same or new device. Install WhatsApp, verify your phone number, then accept the prompt to restore from the detected cloud backup. Confirm timestamp and size before restoring. If restore fails, free additional device and cloud storage, sign out and back into the cloud account, then create a fresh manual backup and retry. If you still have issues, export critical chats as files so you don't lose important content. That manual export is your safety net.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.